Hello there, beautiful people. Today we have a workout that is our class favorites. So we're going to do 3 songs. This is going to be right under the 15-minute mark. All you need is a comfortable spot in your house. You might want to move just that coffee table out of the way. Be prepared to shake that booty, sweat, laugh, smile. Girl, get it. I'll see you on the other side.
Well, this isn't mine. This one's Amanda's.
Real hot girl. I gotta stank, walk, in a reckless air.
All you do is lift, shake.
My booty talk. I don't even say what's up. I just tell him what I
want. One more.
Cause I got another.
Now you're gonna go like this.
If he don't, attitude bad. You too good when he say me, I tell him me good.
Now everybody embrace your inner Amanda.
Wish they could. She's Casper to me. I need gas to see. And the mall with a daddy, she a bastard to me. You ain't fucking him right, pass him to me. Real nigga.
Ready? Let's go.
To the D. Don't stop, pop that cat. Just like that. Shake that.
Do it again.
Work it, don't stop, pop that cat. Just like that. Shake that.
From the top, kick.
Work it, petty. Just for the day.
That's the whole song.
She catch a cold. What's rock chains? Let me see.
I can only do that one leg. That's all I got.
Like, baby, that ice my
one more.
She about to come and give me like a crane. You what your game? Hey, shake what your doctor gave. Yo, it on my ice.
She is so cute.
Got Miami, LA. Now they fat like an acre. Come to the spot and we can lay up. Not cream that poop like mayors. Ever since I got my cake up, I've been running up like mayor. Don't stop, hatchback, shaking that air on Snapchat. Off the strip and shaking that air. What you do for these rats? What my throat say?
You get extra.
Like a bird, yeah. What my throat?
Keep going.
For the back, say slash. Don't stop, pop that cat. Just like that. Shake that.
One more.
Work it. Don't stop, pop that cat. Just like that. Shake that.
Kick.
I'm gon' blow him like AC. Give me big head like IT. Lick me till I scream. Twist his tongue like I.
Don't listen. Out
of this world.
Just dance. It may not be the clean version.
You're right, and I ain't even made it to dessert. But we no angel, star no spangle. 40-inch weave by killing don't tango. Call my drug dealer boyfriend on tango. Use the tahini when I'm eating a mango. Yeah, I get jealous. If you ate it real good, I can't help it. Any and what you need to get it.
Hit it. Let's go.
Don't stop, pop that cat. Just like that. Shake that. Work it. Don't stop, pop that cat. Just like that. Shake that.
Do it again.
Work it. Don't stop, pop that cat. Just like that. Shake that. Work it. Don't stop, pop that cat. Just like that. Shake that.
Kick.
Work it.
Your mic will be here on Wednesday. Oh boy.
And if the beat live, you know Lil Ju.
Hit front.
Hands on my knees, shaking from my thighs. Post me a pic,
Finna make me a profit.
When the liquor hit, then the get toxic.
Wow, you in the club and you're twirling.
I've been listening,
But got shit.
order 42 for the table, let's pop it. Missionary or a
Like style on the top shit.
Hey, no.
Pull it. Pull.
Call me a
Throw. Pull. Throw.
And since these are rats, when they come around me, all I see is a whole lot of denim. I walk around the house.
Have fun naked and stop in every mirror. So I took in my own posterior.
Who talk behind my back? Knew better than to let me.
Turn it. Roll. Pop. Roll. Pop. Punch front. Hip.
So high, gotta stay in bikinis. He got a girl, but he keep begging to see me. I love it when it got a mouth full of BBs. No, I'm not a patient, but I let him treat me. I gotta be a doctor, how I'm ordering CCs. Go to your place, no place, 99% tent in a black dog.
Pull it.
I remember just a couple me happily. Now bossed up and them same mad at me, acting like they ride whole time trying to pass me. Watching me go through it, still trying to drag me. Acting like you winning if you think about it actually. Are they supporting you or really just attacking me? I don't give a fuck about a bro trying to bash me. I'm
For the Recording Academy. Turn. Go straight to my pocket. 2021, finna graduate college.
I'm a real hot topic. On the back, I'm saying on some pop shit. I come see you, Otis. Look, how many blind if they say they boys is better? They really puppet, so I really gotta go and Japan. I'm really talking, but it really gonna part of whoever. Free, get her go out there, join it.
From the top.
Take little thing, add it up. Taking shots, but they ain't in my caliber book. But I squeeze a little head in my calendar.
Looking in the mirror like, damn, I'm breaking up.
These double C's Birkins, I'm working. My chain ain't hitting it, but chain hurting. I ain't finna argue with one thing. I know two things for certain.
Pull it.
None of these saying shit to my face, and none of these
Finna see me at the bank.
And I'ma keep talking out that I won't. Not damn when you come
Tell me I can't.
We ain't even speaking if the ain't spinning. He can never say that I was one of his women. I don't even let him know I stay. I be damned if you think you popping.
Turn it.
Hands on my knees, shaking knees on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking knees on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking knees on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking knees on my thigh shot.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thought shit.
Hands on my knees, shaking knees on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, hands on my
Pull it. Woo.
And if the beat live, you know Lil Ju made it.
All right. We know it. Walk your feet are apart. Hang on. We do a repeat. Ready?
I started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry, but that you started out hating, now you love my drip. I started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry,
Alligator.
but that you started out hating, now you love my. They looking at me, they not looking at you. I don't mean to be rude, I'ma tell you what to. He be blowing me
Now
up
you can stay
like a
here.
balloon. I just tell him give me space like the
Or you
man
can go
the
on.
moon. You know that I'm the best. Is that why you depressed? Say you getting a check or you be frontin' like brass. I
Woo!
look good for myself. I got no one to impress. You better ask your GPS. I ain't the one to address. Look, I started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry, but
Alligator.
you started out hating, now you love my drip. I started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry, but that you started out hating, now you love my drip. You hate that you love me, or do you love that you hate me? Or you be biting, I hope you don't give me rabies. You can say what you want about me as long as you pay me. I'm just trying to get the memes and I ain't talking some shady. Don't look at me crazy or you'll be pushing up daisies. On this watch I spend 80, got me lit up like Las Vegas.
Woo!
Yeah, my house is so big I'm sitting on acres.
Come on, you got it. One more. Oh, there it is. Walk. Oh.
I started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry, but that you started out hating, now you love my drip. I started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry, but that you started out hating, now you love my drip. I know I'm fine, okay, yeah I'm a dime, okay. I cut him off if he ever get out of line, okay. I do it big, okay, like I'm a John, okay. I waste my wine before I ever waste my time, okay. Get out of line, okay, it's going down, okay. You know my temper is way shorter than the vine, okay. We not the same, little mama, I don't wait in line, okay. You say you rich with like Mufasa, you be lying, okay. Well, okay. I started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry, but that you started.
Put that in there.
Now you love my drip. I started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry, but that you started out hating, now you love my drip.
That's all kinds of spanking. That was like, I hope you're next. Are you next? All right. This is our present. This is our present right here. This is not the YMCA version, okay? Everybody leave it on the dance floor. Here we go. I did not hear it. Oh. I did not hear that one. Oh, that right butt cheek. Bring it up. 2 steps. Take it back. Oh, my hair's not high enough. I gotta get it up there. I'm really hoping my mom's not watching the live. Hi, Mom. Sorry. Sorry. Don't Don't show any of the construction workers. 2 steps. Go. 2. Step your feet. Step. Step. Ride that. Oh, they'd be so proud of us right now. They'd be like, look at our baby girls. Bring it up. We got to get Mark in here. He could actually dance. I was totally surprised. He got into it. He was like, I got this. We got to get him in here. He says he's TikTok famous. I don't believe him. 2 steps. Step, step. Ride it. All right. Are we getting really dirty or like PG-13? Oh, okay. All right. Now you pick your poison. You're going to see all different shades of spice level in here. Yep. No, not in the first round. Oh, I heard that. First round, we're going to behave, but we're all going to embrace Val. Everybody embrace Val. Body roll and drop it. Body roll, drop. Now this is optional. Oh gosh, here we go. Body roll. Walk away. I'm sorry, Mom. She'd be like, turn it off, turn it off. Block, block. I think you were right. I think I messed it up. What's Joe doing? Joe knows it. Is this right? I don't think it is. I think it's hips. Hip. Oh, crap. Now we got to start over.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.